A little bit out of character from Likebook Boyue in recent years, because everything across the board has been note-taking and Wacom layers, and this one just seems a little bit odd. It's a 6-inch ebook, and Boyue actually only makes 7.8s and 10.3s. This is the Likebook P6. It is mostly in Chinese at the back, but there is some English on there, and they said the boxes would change in the coming weeks because they are working out some things. So it might be a little bit different than what you're seeing today, but this is roughly the device itself. Just gonna go ahead and open this up, put the device out to the side for now, and show you the rest of the box. So we have a USB cable in here, most likely. See if I can get this out in one shot. Usually can't. And there we go. So it is a micro USB. It is not a USB-C like pretty much everything else in their lineup. Now, also, this is running lower battery consumption and a magnesium aluminum alloy construction, they said. So there are some differences than the rest of their lineup. It is extremely cookie cutter to the point where there's no buttons on the side, there's no markings of any kind on the front, and there's the Likebook laser on the back. You can press and hold the button to power it up for the first time. Like so. Takes a little bit of time, but it does have an SD card slot, which is actually a little bit of a dying breed because most devices just don't have SD card slots anymore. There's a couple like the MobiScribe, the brand new King Jim that just came out, which is roughly a clone of that. And this, I mean, there's not a whole lot of selection with SD cards and expandable storage. Some companies like Kobo, Rakuten, they actually put the SD card slots and weld them, if not solder them, to the PCB. So you see, when you turn this on, you get some grids. We will do a full review on this, but it is a little bit of, like I said, an out-of-character choice by them. It's a more simplistic, low-consumption, straightforward ebook reader rather than their usual note-taking lineup. So yes, this is everything that comes in the box. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For now, this is the Boyue Likebook P6 6-inch ebook reader. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.